Welcome to Quad Tech. In this video, I'll show you how to enable a mobile hotspot in Windows step by step. Whether you need to share your internet connection with other devices or create a personal Wi-Fi network, this guide will help you do it easily. To get started, open the Settings menu by clicking on Start, right-clicking, then selecting Settings or pressing Windows+I on your keyboard. In the Settings window, click on Network and Internet. Then, from the left panel, select Mobile Hotspot. You'll see an option that says Share my internet connection with other devices. Toggle the switch to On. If you want to customize your hotspot, click on Edit. Here, you can change the network name, SSID, password, and network band. Once done, click Save. Additionally, you can enable the option to turn on the hotspot automatically, even when no devices are connected. This ensures your hotspot remains active whenever needed. And that's it. You've successfully enabled a mobile hotspot in Windows. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.